Hi, virtual learning buddies. Let's play Taboo to learn about hobbies or interest. I'm going to describe a hobby or interest, and you have to guess what I'm describing. Then, to practice our spoken English, I'm going to follow it up with an open-ended question. Remember to pause the video to give yourself time to answer. Please subscribe if you want to learn more real-life English together with me. All right, so the first question. For every question, you are given 8 minutes to guess the interest or hobby. And after that, I'll follow it up with the open-ended question. The first question is, taking pictures with a camera. What hobby or interest am I describing? And the answer is photography. Photography. Next, what do you think? Okay, the open-ended question. What do you think of photography? Next, planting and taking care of plants. What hobby is that? Of course, it's gardening. Gardening. So, have you ever tried gardening? If yes, how was it? Or if no, why not? The next one. Listening to or making melodies. What hobby or interest am I describing? Of course, it's music. Music. Conversation question. I think we all have our favorite music or song, right? What's yours? Why do you like this song? Participating in physical activities for fun or competition. Again, participating in physical activities for fun or competition. What hobby is that? Did you say sports? If you said sports, then you are correct. Let's practice now your speaking. Question. What sports do you play or wish to play? Why? Next one. What hobby or interest am I describing? Studying and creating paintings, sculptures, photos, films, etc. Again, studying, creating paintings, sculptures, photos, films, and others. What hobby is this? Yes, arts or fine arts. Let's practice now our speaking. What do you think about arts? Tell me, what hobby is this? Preparing food and meals. This one is pretty easy, and the answer is cooking. Let's practice our speaking. Do you enjoy cooking? Why? Next one. Going to different places and experiencing new cultures. One more time. Going to different places and experiencing different cultures. What hobby is this? It's traveling, or traveling. Question: if you could travel now, where do you want to go and why? Next, enjoying books and other written materials. What hobby or interest is this? Enjoying books and other written materials. Very easy. Reading. So, how about you? Do you enjoy reading? Why? Speedrun, esports, walkthrough, usually done online. What hobby is this? Gaming. You are correct. And conversation question: what do you think of gaming? Next one. Yoga, weightlifting, other workouts to stay active and healthy. What hobby or interest am I describing? And the answer is fitness. Fitness. Let's practice our speaking skills. Let's practice our speaking skills with this question. How can we convince people to pick up fitness as a hobby? Again, How can we convince people to pick up fitness as a hobby? That's it, and please do not forget to subscribe and share this video.